In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this Audi A4. It's going to be located behind the front tires. Let's get into it. Now, using the tool from the trunk, just put that in the hole in the center cap, and you can pull the center cap out. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts off. Before I take the last one, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. Grab the wheel, slide it off. Using a 13mm wrench on this nut right here and a 16mm wrench, you can loosen this up. That's good. Switch to a ratchet wrench, make it easier, 16mm. Take that bolt out. Tip this down, and to make it easier, you can do the same on the other side. Take that bolt out. It's a good idea to replace these in pairs. Now just tip this down. You can access the bolt. Using a 16mm socket, take this bolt out. And there's the link. Put the link in. This part is going to go at the bottom, the new bolt. Get that started. Then you want to do the same on the other side. And push the bar up. Get that positioned in the right spot. Might have to loosen this a little bit. Take the bolt, get that started. I'm just going to use a pull jack and just support the suspension and just raise it up a little bit. Just trying to get the angle right for the link. We get a little bit showing of the bolt. We'll get the nut on. And you want to torque this bolt to 30 foot-pounds. And then you want to go an additional 90 degrees. If you don't have a torque angle meter, do the best you can. All right, that's good. Now I'm going to lower the pull jack. Snug that up first. I'm just going to use a crow's hook to torque this. I'm going to torque this to 30 foot-pounds. And then you want to go an additional 90 degrees. If you have a torque angle meter, you can use that. If not, do the best you can. 90 degrees is a quarter turn. Just turn it an additional quarter turn. There you go. Now take the wheel, install the wheel, get the hole lined up. Take the lug bolt, get that started. Once you get one in, you can let go of the wheel and get the other one started. And snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just going to go around again, double check. That's good. Take the center cap. You can line that circle, the hole, with the valve stem and push it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.